In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Jira by assignee. This is a simple way to zero in on the work assigned to a specific teammate so you can review progress, unblock issues, or prepare for stand-ups without sifting through everything in a project. First, head over to Atlassian.com. If you're new to Jira, click sign up to create your account and get access. If you already have one, just sign in the way you normally do. The goal is to get into Jira so you can reach the place where your issues live. Once you're in, go to your preferred space or project. That might be a software project, a service desk, or a business project, whatever you and your team use. Enter the project area where you typically view issues. This could be the board, the backlog, or the issues list. Any of these views will work as long as you can see the standard toolbar across the top of the screen. Now, look for the filter icon at the top of your screen. It usually appears as a small funnel and sits near other quick controls like search and view options. If you don't see it right away, switch to the issues list or backlog view where filters are most prominent. The filter area is designed to help you narrow down what's shown without changing your underlying project settings. Open the filter controls, then in the drop-down menu, click Assignee. This field tells Jira to only show items assigned to specific people. You'll typically see a list of users who have access to the project. If the list is long, use the search box to type a person's name so you can find them faster. The assignee filter is especially helpful when you're preparing for one-on-one check-ins or prioritizing a teammate's queue. Choose the assignee you want to be filtered. As soon as you select them, your view will update to display only the issues assigned to that person. You can scan the list, open individual tickets for details, and quickly understand what they're working on. If you need to switch to another person, just change the selection in the same drop-down. And when you're done, clear the assignee filter to return to the full set of issues in the project. That's all there is to it. Go to Atlassian.com, sign up, go to your project, open the filter controls, choose assignee, and select the person you want to see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.